Welcome back, families and friends, to my channel, Meals with Mills. In this video, I'll be sharing with you how I make my chicken chop suey. Which is a favorite meal for the Polynesians or the Samoans, the Tongans, and all the Polynesian people. So this is a must meal in every function or any gathering, chop suey. So tonight I'm making chicken chop suey. Okay, so I have my chicken already chopped in small pieces. I'm using Maryland or thigh pieces, about 1 kilo. I have got my main ingredients, ginger, garlic. I'll be adding finely chopped veggies to my chop suey. The original chop suey, you don't add veggies. You just add the noodles and that's it. But tonight, in this recipe, I am making chop suey adding the veggies. I love adding the veggies to my chop suey. So flavoring, I've got oyster sauce, I've got dark soy sauce, light soy sauce, salt and pepper, and then of course our noodles, our vermicelli noodles, or lia we call it. I also have the chicken stock that I prepared earlier on with the chicken bones from when I cut the meat, the chicken meat. I had the bones, so I used that to make my own chicken stock. Some people use the liquid stock that you buy from the shop. For me, I always make my own stock. It's cheaper and you can add your own flavoring. Let's start cooking. So everyone, I've added the minced ginger and garlic already. So I've added the noodles as well. I've added our soy sauce, all the soy sauce flavoring, the oyster sauce as well. Everything has been added. It's time for me to add the stock now. Chicken stock that I prepared earlier on. Okay. Okay, so that's going to go in. I'm sorry everyone, the camera went off for some reason, but I've still got leftover garlic that I will be adding a little bit now, and then I'll let this boil. So the vermicelli noodle, I have washed it. As well, and I am not going to cut it at this stage. I'm going to add a little bit more garlic, minced garlic. Okay, I'm going to let it boil. Okay. Our chop suey is boiling away. Okay, at this stage, I'm gonna go with my kitchen scissors and just slightly cut the noodle while it's cooking. Okay, see, not too short. Just like that. So I've turned off the oven now. And right now I'm just going to add my mixed veggies, the chopped veggies that I have last. And then I don't need to cook the veggies, they will cook through with the heat of the chop suey. Okay, so I'll add all the veggies. To our chop suey. See how nice it is. Okay, so there's my version of chop suey with some veggies in it. I have also put aside the normal chop suey for some of my family members who prefer the original way, just the noodles and chicken. Hey everyone, so we've completed our chop suey and that's what it looks like. So I have one normal chop suey here. Like I said, some people don't like adding veggies to theirs. I love mine. So I've got one with the veggies and one without. So I'll get my son to taste and then we'll go from there.
Okay guys, so I'm going to be trying this chop suey. So, okay, here it goes. Wow. Nice and stringy sort of tasting, you know. Okay, I'll probably try the chicken as well. Same chicken as how my mum makes it when she makes her chop suey. So it's the same. So I'll probably give you 10 out of 10 for that one.
Are you sure?
No, I am. No, I'm serious.
Okay, 10 out of 10.
Lots of juice as well.
Okay,
Really?
thank you. You want to try my one with the veggies?
You sure?
Macana?
Yeah. So, probably try with the veggies now. I like it. What is it called again? Cabbage? Radish?
White cabbage.
White cabbage? Yeah. Really good. Try the garlic.
Maybe put it down and cut it with the
Oh
knife.
yeah, check. I like it.
Okay everyone, that's the end of our cooking. I hope you like this recipe. Once again, thank you for your support and please don't forget to subscribe, turn the post notification on for more videos, and I'm excited to see you again in the next video. Take care, be safe.
Yep.
Bye.
See ya.